A child abduction alert has been issued in Milwaukee for the following child: Major P. Harris, age 3, male, black, 3 feet 0 inches, 40 pounds, black hair, brown eyes, and small abrasion on right cheek. Missing from Milwaukee, Wisconsin. Last seen wearing dark blue t-shirt, navy blue Nike basketball shorts, and is barefoot. Law enforcement believes the child may be in the company of Jaheim K. Clark, age 20, male, black, 5 feet 10 inches, 160 pounds, black hair, brown eyes. They may be traveling in a 2008 black Chevrolet Equinox SUV, Wisconsin license plate ABE2804. If you have any information on the whereabouts of Major Harris or Jaheim Clark, please contact Milwaukee Police Department at 414-935-7405.
Safe Life for a same-day repair. And with their insurance, it was no cost to them. That's service the way you need it.
Safe Life Repair, Safe Life Replace.
Regina approaches the